Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by using a service account key right away. Grant the account Play Console permissions, then download the JSON key and set Google application credentials to that file. Once done, install the official Google API's client library for your language. Make the first authorized call to the Google Play Developer API to confirm the token works. You should receive a valid token instead of an auth error. This verifies scope and network access before you proceed to token exchanges. You now exchange the service account JSON for an access token via OAuth2 JWT assertion. Construct the JWT, sign it, then post to Google's token endpoint, capture access token and expires in. Next, use that bearer token to call Play developer endpoints like edits, apps, or purchases. Subscriptions include package name and token fields. Make sure to cache the expiry time and when close to expiration, refresh by repeating the JWT flow, so your automation. You finish by implementing secure token handling. Store access token in memory, respect expires in, and rotate service account keys periodically. If you hit permission errors, check Play Console roles first. A 403 usually means an insufficient role. If you see 401, regenerate a JWT and fetch a new access token. For persistent failures, log full request and response details, including headers and payloads, to pinpoint scope or audience mismatches. Then fix credentials or API call parameters and retry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.